Hello friend, this is Kailas Gaitodi going to explain question number 12 from exercise 1.1 of chapter relation and function. Question number first, so that the relation are defined in a set A of all triangle as the relation set is T1 comma T2 means T2 is the relative of T1 only if T1 and T2 are similar, means triangle number first and triangle number second are similar, is equivalence relation, right? Consider three right angle triangle T1 with side 3, 4, 5 to T2 with side 5, 12, 13 and T3 with side 6, 8, 10, which triangle among T1, T2 and T3 are related, right? As you know that the condition for a relation is triangle must be similar, right? As you know that every triangles are similar with itself. So I'm writing here relation set R T1 comma T2 such that T1 is similar to T2. T1 is similar to T2. Means T1 and T2 are similar. Right? Okay. Reflexive. Reflexive. As we know that every triangle will similar to itself. Every triangle will similar to itself. Similar means same shapes and different sizes. Okay, if two triangles are of same shapes and same sizes, they will be similar as well as congruent. Means they are called similar and congruent both. Right here, since T1 comma T2 belong to R, T1 comma T2 belong to R. Why? Since T1 is similar to T1 means every triangle is similar with itself, right? Same way T2 comma T2 belong to R since T2 is similar to T2. Hence, given relation is reflexive. Now, check it for symmetric. 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 Let for symmetricity, I will consider T1 comma T2 belong to R since it is given T1 is similar to T2. If T1 is similar to T2, it may written as implies T2 is similar to T1 implies if the condition is being satisfied, so therefore T2 comma T1 belong to R. Hence given relation is symmetric. Now check it for transitivity. Transitivity. Transitive. Transitive. For this we will take three triangles and we will consider T1 comma T2 belong to R since T1 similar to T2. T2 comma T3 belong to R since T2 similar to T3. T1, T2 similar to T3 and T1 similar to T2. Right? Okay. As we know that if T1 similar to T2, T2 similar to T3, then definitely T1 will similar to T3. By this concept, T1 will similar with T3. If T1 is similar with T3, that implies T1 comma T3 belong to R. Hence given relation is transitive, right? Further we have to show that a T1, a triangle, the side of triangle T1 are 3, 4, 5, and side of triangle T2 are 5, 12, 13, and side of triangle T3 are 6, 8, 10. If two triangles are similar, then their side must be in the same ratio. Since 3 by 5 not equal to 4 by 12 not equal to 5 by 13. Same way, 3 by 6 equal to 1 by 2, 4 by 8 equal to 1 by 2, and 5 by 10 equal to 1 by 2. So therefore, T1 and T3 are related to each other. Why? Okay, let us see. As we know that side of triangle T1s are given you 3, 4, 5, and side of triangle T2 are given you 5, 12, 13. The side of triangle T3 are given you 6, 8, 10. Right? For T1 and T2 now. Now check it for T1 and T2. For T1 and T2. 3 by 5 not equal to 4 by 12 not equal to 5 by 13. So T1 is not related with T2. T1 and T2 are not related. Are not related. Are not related. Let us check it for T1 and T3. T1 and T3. Right? Since 3 upon 6 equal to 4 upon 8 equal to 5 upon 5 upon 10 equal to 1 by 2. Therefore, T1 similar to T3 since the sides are in the same ratio. Now check it for